And in that same courtroom this morning, the judge also heard arguments and testimony for a lawsuit revolving around a lease between the school district and a nonprofit organization working with the Macon Promise Neighborhood. Bibb School's former chief financial officer Ron Collier filed an amended lawsuit earlier this month claiming that lease is unconstitutional. And 41 NBC's Amanda Castro was in the courtroom. And Amanda, there was no decision today made, correct?
That's right, Andrew. They were deliberating and talking for just over 2 hours today, and the judge didn't come to an immediate ruling. Now, Collier's lawyer is asking for the judge to put a temporary stop on all payments involving that lease. He's saying that they're going to use taxpayer dollars to pay off that lease, but the school district's saying that the lease is perfectly valid and the lawsuit can't change it.
This was all nothing but a scheme to get the taxpayers responsible for paying a $4.7 million loan.
The lawsuit centers around the old Ballard Hudson Middle School and the lease between Bibb County Schools and the landlord, Central Georgia Partnership for Community and Development, Inc. In court Friday, attorney Jerry Lumley, who represents former Bibb School's CFO, argued the lease agreement was a way to pay off a loan that the nonprofit took out to renovate the building.
The taxpayers are being called upon to pay to renovate that building.
But the school district argues the lease is valid, and Lumley can't dispute it.
It's already been decided that Judge Brown in another proceeding held that the lease was valid, and they're just trying to relitigate that issue, and it has already been decided.
Lumley also claims the lease violates Georgia law. It was never approved by the BOE, and board members didn't know it would cost taxpayers $5.75 million.
In the early stages of the discussion about the Promise Neighborhood, and mention was made of a lease agreement, and I recall someone throwing out it would be nominal, like $1.
Now Lumley is calling on the judge to stop all payments, including rent, construction fees, and buying insurance. But the landlord's attorney says his argument won't hold up.
The elements for a temporary restraining order simply were not shown by the plaintiff, and therefore he cannot grant a temporary restraining order.
Both sides argued its case. Now it's up to the judge. Again, the judge didn't make an immediate ruling, but said he will take the arguments, quote, under advisement. Stay with 41 NBC and 41NBC.com for the latest on this story.